Most breaches start in one of three simple ways. They manipulate people through social engineering, they exploit weaknesses in technology, or they use stolen or weak passwords to walk right into an account. These three threats drove the majority of cyber incidents in 2025, and understanding them is the first step to stopping them in 2026. Social engineering remains the #1 way attackers get in. Attackers now use AI-generated messages, deepfake audio, and highly personalised impersonation attempts that look completely legitimate. A real example from 2024 shows just how convincing these attacks have become. An employee at a UK engineering firm received what looked like a genuine video call from their CFO. But the caller was a deep fake. The attackers used AI to mimic the executive's face and voice, convincing the employee to approve a major fund transfer. The company lost $25 million in a single incident, not because systems failed, but because human trust was exploited. Not all attacks target people. Experts warn that attackers are now weaponizing newly found flaws or security gaps in software known as vulnerabilities. With automated tools and monitoring systems, they're sometimes able to do this within hours of a patch release, often much faster than IT teams can deploy fixes. In 2024, several companies were breached through a flaw in a widely used remote access tool. Even though patches were available quickly, attackers moved faster. Once inside internal networks, attackers leveraged stolen credentials to infiltrate additional systems. Some organizations later reported business email compromises and ransomware activity stemming from the exploited servers. Passwords are still one of our biggest weaknesses. In 2025, credential theft exploded, rising 160%, with 1.8 billion stolen logins circulating online. Some industries saw increases as high as 800%. With a valid password, attackers can log directly into emails, cloud platforms, or business apps without triggering alarms. And even when MFA is in place, attackers have developed ways to get around it, including MFA fatigue attacks, spamming users with approval requests until they hit approve, help desk impersonations, pretending to be IT support in order to steal MFA codes, phishing for MFA, capturing one-time codes through fake login pages. Just one reused or stolen password, especially when paired with an MFA bypass, is often enough to start a major breach. Modern cyber attacks rarely rely on a single method. A breach might start with a phishing email, escalate through an unpatched vulnerability, and end with stolen credentials used to access sensitive systems. These hybrid attacks can be complex, but stopping them doesn't have to be. Cybercriminals often succeed because we assume security is someone else's job. In reality, everyday actions, slowing down before clicking, reporting anything suspicious, keeping devices updated, and using strong passwords create a powerful line of defense. When everyone does their part, even the most layered attacks lose their advantage.